Bodywork Collision Center.
Yes, hi. How are you doing today?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Not too bad. Hey, I'd like to shoot you a custom video of your website to show you a way of increasing your targeted traffic and increasing your revenue. All that I'm looking for is the best email to send it to and someone that can take a look at it. If they like it, they can reach back out to me. If not, no worries.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to email it, you can email it to bwcc at bodyworkscollisioncenter.com.
All right, could you repeat that one more time, please?
It's bwcc at bodyworkscollisioncenter.com.
All right, thank you very much. And who am I speaking with?
My name is Cade. It's Cade.
All right, and who's going to be watching this?
We all have access to that email, so there's a few of us that will see it.
All right, great. Well, I look forward to making it for you. All right,
Awesome.
well,
Thank you.
like I said, if you enjoy it, reach back out to me. If not, no worries. Have a great
All right,
weekend.
well, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll be looking forward to that.
All right, thank you very much.
Have a
Bye
good one.
bye.